So I got my top teeth and my bottom teeth, the zirconian. I got 5 implants on the bottom and 4 on the top, and I couldn't be happier with it, and I have no regrets whatsoever. And the price was real reasonable too, you know, compared to everybody else. That's the best money I've ever spent in my life. I went to the other guys, they were like so expensive that there's no way that I was able to do it, you know what I mean? And they were like double the price, or they wanted the same price what Dr.Cheema did for me, the full mouth. They wanted it for just my top teeth, for my tops, and so I was kind of bummed out about that. But then I started looking on the internet and started finding and looking around, and I found Dr.Cheema. So yeah, I remember breaking a tooth to eating mashed potatoes one time, and I hardly could chew anything, you know, at the time, but the eating was the main thing, you know what I mean? It's like, and I had like low-grade infections all the time, and that when I got the temporaries, and the first day, I felt like I had buck teeth, you know, because I never felt my teeth in my mouth like that, right? And I was coming out of it, you know, when he was working on me, and I'm all, man, I go, man, I feel like I got buck teeth. And he goes, you ain't got buck teeth. And he took a mirror and he showed me, and I was all like, well, I was all like, just couldn't believe it. It's like, look at the difference. I mean, yeah. I'm still the same person, but well, this guy is a lot more happier than this guy. But anyways, it's crazy because I hadn't seen myself like that for years, you know what I mean? Or like, Dr.Cheema, I appreciate everything you've done for me, you know, how you worked with me whenever I needed you, you were there, you know. Thank you so much. I am happy with my smile.